Welcome, dear viewers, to the wild and wonderful world of Blockchain Unchained. Today, we're going to peel back the layers of this digital onion. Why, you ask? Because blockchain, my friends, is the technological equivalent of a never-ending birthday party. It's the gift that just doesn't stop giving. Picture a digital vault with a lock so colossal, even the combined efforts of 1,000,000 keys wouldn't crack it. That, in a nutshell, is blockchain, the Fort Knox of the digital universe. On the pros side, blockchain is as transparent as a brick wall and as secure as a Swiss bank. It's a dream come true for those among us who enjoy living in a glass house, but don't want anyone throwing stones. Transparency? Blockchain has it in spades. It's like installing glass walls in your data house. Everyone gets a good look, but no one gets to touch. And security? Hackers should forget about it. Blockchain security is layered like a delicious, tear-inducing onion, and it's just as sweet to those who know how to use it. But alas, every silver lining has a cloud, and blockchain is no exception. It's time for the cons. First off, blockchain is a bit of an energy hog. It loves electricity even more than your high-end gaming PC. It's the eco-warrior of the digital world, but perhaps not in the way you'd hope. And then there's the matter of irreversible transactions. Made a mistake and sent your life savings to the wrong address? Well, tough cookies. Blockchain doesn't do mulligans. Now, onto the languages and tech stacks of blockchain. Python, because apparently even snakes can master blockchain. JavaScript, the only language capable of making a blockchain look pretty on your website. And Solidity, the lingua franca of smart contracts. It's not as smart as your dog, but it's getting there. So there you have it. Blockchain, the digital marvel that's slowly but surely changing the world, one block at a time. Whether you're a fan or a skeptic, blockchain is here to stay. But remember, with great blockchain power comes great responsibility. Keep your keys safe and your sense of humor close. And that's a wrap for today's episode of Blockchain Unchained. Stay sarcastic, stay blockchain savvy, and see you in the next episode.